My people, na good morning, na good afternoon, na good evening. I greet you according to una time. If today na the first day wey be say you dey see my video, you are highly welcome. My returning subscribers, thank you all so much for always coming back to watch my video. Today's video, my people, I go dey show una how to cook this vegetable curry sauce. Very succulent, sweet, and they go well with white rice. So this na all my ingredients. So this na onion, sliced pepper, and one seasoning. Then curry, thyme, and black pepper. So this na green beans. This na sliced red, yellow, and green bell pepper. So the other one then na carrots. So this na all my ingredients wey I go dey use. And if I go add anything, I go still let una know. So for this sauce, I go dey use mackerel fish. So my mackerel fish, I don cut and wash am already. E don dey fire. So I come add one seasoning. I come put salt. Then I come put onions, curry, thyme. So you fit use any seasoning of your choice. So you fit use any seasoning of your choice. Then I come put water. Then I come cover and make it cook. So this na curry sauce. So you need plenty of curry, not too much. So then I come put thyme. I come cover and make it cook. So my people, make una not forget to subscribe if you never subscribe. May you like, may you share with your family. Una take me to my goal though. So I dey see una hard work oh. See una dey watch my video, una dey subscribe too. Now God will bless una oh. If you never subscribe, make you not fail, make you not forget to subscribe or abeg. Make una leave nice comment for me. So I come check on my fish. My fish done ready already. So I come set that one aside. So the fish is ready. So guys, now let's prepare the sauce. So for my pan, then I can put small vegetable oil, not too much. So after the vegetable oil hot small, then I can put sliced onions. I dey like plenty onions for this sauce. So I can put onions. The onions can fry small for like 3 minutes. So then I can put my ginger paste. At this time, all my house dey scent. So I can begin the fry am. I can fry am with the onions for like 1 minute. So later I can put my sliced pepper. This na fresh pepper. This fresh pepper is hot well. Very, very hot. So I can put am. Then I can fry am small. Then later I can add my green, yellow, red bell pepper. Then I can begin the fry am. Then I can fry am small for like 2 minutes. So my people, wanna give this video thumbs up oh. I beg, wanna give this video thumbs up so that YouTube will recommend us to so many people. So after I don fry am for like 2 minutes, then I can add my carrots. Then I can begin the fry. Oh God, look at the veggies. Don't dey hungry me to eat am like this already. So I can begin the fry am. Can fry am for like 1 minute. Then after 1 minute, then I can put my green beans. The green beans, I just dey bring them out from the freezer. So now I make am be like that. So then I can begin fry am together. So guys, if you know that you don't watch me up to this time, you never subscribe, oh yeah oh, may you subscribe. Then I can put curry. I know now this na curry sauce. So I can put curry. Then I can still put small thyme. Then I can begin fry am. Then I can put salt. Then I can begin the fry. So guys, look at this. God, food is life, man. Look at the veggies. So my people, I can begin fry am. I can fry am for like 2 minutes. After like 2 minutes, so my people, now so, and if you dey try to lose weight, this sauce is good well. For those one where they try to lose weight, the sauce dey good well. So I can put my fish, mackerel fish, and the water. Like I can put everything inside. Then I can stir am. God, cannot wait to dive this food I no fit wait to see the green everything inside. I cannot wait. I beg my people, may una not forget to thumbs up this video if you like this video. Don't forget to. So guys, I can cover am. Then now make we make the thickening. For the thickening, I go dey use custard. So if you use custard, na still the same thing. But for this recipe, I go dey use custard. So now just 1 tablespoon of custard, not too much. Just 1 tablespoon, e dey okay. Then I can put am for my rubber. Then I can put water to just loosen am small. Then make sure say to stir am very well to make sure say everything dey loose, so that if you pour am inside your sauce, e no go form lumps. So now like this is supposed to be, as you guys can see everything don't dilute. Then I can pour am inside my sauce. If you never try custard for this for vegetable sauce, you dey miss. So you dey miss, big time. You dey miss. Then I can put am inside my sauce. So that's it. Then I can stir am. Then I can taste for salt. Everything just dey okay. God, this sauce, it tastes so good. Like, guys, I know they exaggerate too. I just dey tell una say this sauce, na oga. Make una try this sauce. Make una let me know for the comment section what you think. Okay, so it just dey okay. You no need anything again. Then I just cover and make it simmer for like 1 minute. And my sauce is ready. Guys, check this sauce now. Check it out. So I can serve with my white rice. Hey, now my portion just dey serve, so I cannot wait to can serve am with white rice. So my people, if una try this recipe, una let me know for the comment section what you think. Hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do and you never subscribe, I beg, may you not forget to subscribe. I will continue to the remind una. Thanks for your love and support. I appreciate them. Okay, I will see you all in my next video. Bye.